Marshmallows, a beloved treat for campfires and hot cocoa, might lose their appeal when you learn about the key ingredient used in their production: gelatin. Gelatin is a protein derived from the collagen found in animal skin, bones, and connective tissues, most commonly from cows and pigs. To extract the gelatin, these animal parts are boiled, treated with acid or alkali, and then filtered to create a clear, tasteless substance. To make marshmallows, gelatin is combined with sugar, corn syrup, water, and flavorings, such as vanilla. The mixture is then whipped to create a light, fluffy texture before being poured into molds, cooled, and dusted with a mixture of cornstarch and powdered sugar to prevent sticking. The use of gelatin in marshmallows raises ethical concerns for vegetarians, vegans, and those who follow religious dietary restrictions such as kosher or halal. Additionally, the factory farming practices used to obtain the animal parts for gelatin production contribute to environmental and animal welfare issues. For a more ethical and environmentally friendly alternative, consumers can seek out gelatin-free marshmallows made with plant-based ingredients, such as agar-agar or